Hi viewers out there, it's your lady, your same lady, VJ Orente. We are here on the matter, the adventure of Mofewi. That is Mofewi TV. Kí la fẹ́ wí, kí ni nǹkan tá a fẹ́ sọ gẹ́lẹ́. Assuming on your wedding day, photographer that took the COVID now come that please yesterday I'm just flashing, I'm not taking any pictures at all. If you are the person, what are you going to do? So before we hear what people will say, follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe on YouTube.
Subscribe and turn on the notification bell.
Good day, sir.
Good day.
Hey, sir, please, assuming you did the wedding yesterday, the photographer that did the COVID now come today that please, yesterday I'm not snapping. What you are seeing is just a flash. What are you going to do?
Come again. Just a flash.
Yes.
He didn't take any picture.
Yeah.
I will just think of how hell is. I will now think of how the pain will be. Wow. Then I will now know how to descend on that photographer.
Either to kill him or maybe to tell him to do another one.
Because how will he come back telling me that he has not taken any pictures, that he's not taking flash? Who does that?
ẹ lè rí wedding yẹn ṣe mọ́ ṣe mọ́ ẹ lè rí wedding yẹn ṣe mọ́ rárá kí nìkan tẹ́ máa ṣe.
Dandan ni kó wá ó máa wá aláwà rí.
ó máa wá ní.
máa sọ fún yín pé kó gbówó mi padà fún mi ni wọ́n sì ò ti ṣe fẹ́ tí mò ń fẹ́ kó bá ń gbówó mi.
you understand the question dada ẹ ṣe kí ni ẹ.
The money we use for the wedding, the whole wedding, I will collect it back from you.
bóyá ẹ wá ní bá ń kówó mi o olóhùn ò lówó kí wàá lè wá fẹ́ ṣe.
Àwọn tí wọ́n ní wọ́n sì bá wa dá sí i. Àwọn kan bẹ tí wọ́n jù wá lọ. Wọ́n sì bá wa dá sí i.
Alright, táwọn tó wá tẹ́ ẹ pè pé ẹ bá mi dá sí i tó wá bá yín dá sí i tó ní ó dá omi ìlówó kí nìkan tẹ́ máa ṣe.
I will do wedding back.
And you think that is possible?
So, how would you do a wedding no proof and wrong?
But tẹ́ bá kàn ti fọlọ́pàá mú lásán ó ti tán kò sí nǹkan mi tẹ́ máa ṣe.
The photographer is dead. I'm going to kill him. As in, I will make sure I personally deal with him.
I will firstly beat the hell out of him. I will make the judgment my own self. Then before I can now sue him.
Ó tó lè gbẹ̀yìn lọ.
Kí ló máa lọ gbẹ̀yìn lọ ṣe fún ènìyàn mi understand.
Àwọn olùrẹ̀ wá gbé lùrẹ̀.
So does that bring back your picture?
My killing doesn't actually mean I'm going to kill him. It's an irony. You don't get. Like, I will beat his life and you get what I mean now.
Like, do you know what this wedding means? My wedding day, I can't do it twice. Oh my God, this can't be possible.
Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. So don't forget to subscribe on YouTube and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Then follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook. And keep watching Mofewi TV.
Subscribe and turn on the notification bell.